In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add business information to Squarespace. Keeping your contact details and hours accurate in Squarespace helps customers reach you easily and ensures your site stays consistent across pages, footers, and contact forms. Once you're in your site's dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon that opens your site settings. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the Settings panel. Inside Settings, find and select Selling. This section controls key commerce and business details that many templates reference. If your interface looks a little different, don't worry. Squarespace updates its layout from time to time. You're aiming for the area labeled Selling in your site settings. Next, choose Business Information. This is the centralized place where you'll add your public-facing details. Think of it as the source of truth your site will pull from for contact blocks, store policies, and certain checkout communications. Start by entering your contact phone number. Use the format your customers expect, include your country code if you serve international clients, and stick to a dedicated business line rather than a personal number. Clear, standardized formatting helps prevent confusion. Add your contact email next. This should be a mailbox you or your team checks regularly, since customers may reach out from forms, receipts, or order notifications. If you use a shared inbox for support, enter that here so nothing gets missed. Now, enter your physical location address. Type the full street address, city, region, postal code, and country. Accuracy matters. Your address can feed into map blocks, local search results, and certain commerce settings for tax or shipping calculations. If you're appointment only or operate from a studio without public access, you can still list the city and region while clarifying details elsewhere on your site. Add your business hours. Be consistent in your format, select the correct time zone in your site settings, and clearly mark closed days. If your hours vary seasonally, note the standard schedule here and update it when changes occur. A brief note such as by appointment or closed on public holidays can help set expectations. When everything looks good, click Save. Your updates are now stored centrally and will populate anywhere your template references business information. If you refresh your site preview or visit pages that display contact details, you should see the new information reflected. That's all you need to add your business information in Squarespace. Keep this section up to date and revisit it anytime your phone, email, address, or hours change.